TisaLabs is a European cybersecurity company protecting the systems that keep our world running. From space satellites to smart cities, energy grids, and critical infrastructure. We help governments, enterprises, and innovators stay safe in a world where everything is connected. Our mission is simple: make cybersecurity smart, invisible, and inbuilt from the start. In the IoT world, billions of devices send data every second. We make sure that that data is real, secure, and trusted. Whether it's sensor in a smart farm or a device in a city grid, TisaLabs ensures no one can fake, hijack, or corrupt that data. In space communications, we work where failure is not an option. We're proud to be collaborating with the European Space Agency to protect satellites from jamming, spoofing, and cyber threats. Because in space, a single breach could disrupt global services. What makes us unique? We're not just another cybersecurity vendor. We're builders of secure technology. Our solutions work at the edge, even when offline, powered by AI and real-time analytics. We focus on both compliance and resilience, helping companies meet standards like NIS2, GDPR, and ISO 27001. We've designed platforms like Tisa Cloud and Tisa Gateway to secure the entire device ecosystems, while our predictive platform continuously scans for weaknesses before hackers do. At TisaLabs, we believe that building trust into technology is the foundation for progress. As the world moves toward autonomous systems, deep space exploration, and AI-powered infrastructure, we're committed to securing that future, one trusted connection at a time.